So we're gonna unbox the Callaloo box, February month. This is what we get. Nice greeting card, Callaloo box. Thank you. So information about Callaloo box, you can check them out at callaloobox.com. And also you can get some Callaloo box rewards. Ingredients: Trinidad chicken Pelau. Who doesn't love Pelau? You get all your information here on how to cook it, all the ingredients you need, prep time, cook time, amazing. Then you got one for crab Callaloo. Who doesn't love some Callaloo and dumpling? And then we have Trinidad and Tobago is a home of steel pan calypso and limbo. This month we celebrate African ancestral roots, created the greatest show on earth, which is Trinidad Carnival. And if you didn't know, now you know. So this is what's in this month's box. Oops, let me grab this. And so we got browning. We have some sweet treats, so tamarind ball, sugar cake, and fudge. Some Trinidad green seasoning, pimento sauce, cook-up seasoning, coconut milk powder, pepper sauce, and seasoning cubes. And you can check out Callaloo box at Callaloo box on Instagram and Facebook. So let's get through the ingredients. So first things first, we have coconut milk powder. So you can use this when you're making a Callaloo, when you're making a Pelau. Very essential to give a nice creamy flavor. Some people put it in curry. I really don't put too much in curry, mainly my Callaloo and my Pelau. So you have that. That's brought to you by Karibean Flavours. This is the cook-up seasoning. You could use this if you're making cook-up rice or you're making Pelau. Just an idea. Some of the ingredients in the cook-up seasoning is salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, herb spice, and sugar. And another thing we got, very essential, is Maggi vegetable flavor cubes. Amazing for your Callaloo, amazing for your Pelau. I like to put a little bit in the Callaloo, gives a nice vegetable flavor. And what do we have here? We have some fresh Caribbean green seasoning. We got some browning, caramel browning. Now this is really good for cakes, stews. It's actually a good cheat for stew chicken. If you're making stew chicken and you don't want to spend all the time burning the sugar, use some of that browning. We got some of this, Bertie's pepper sauce. This is one of the best pepper sauce around, hands down, Bertie's. If you have a chance to try the scorpion pepper sauce is insane, but this stuff is really good. What else we got? We got Bertie's Pimento pepper sauce. So it's not really a pepper sauce, it's a seasoning. You guys have seen me kind of use this, and I've also used, when you kind of blend up your fresh pimentos, this is something good to drop in there. Add some flavor into your rice and all that stuff. All right, let's get to the good stuff. Some tamarind ball, brought to you by, is it Jenesis Delights? Some fudge, straight Trinidad fudge. Look at that. I forgot to show you what the tamarind ball looks like. If you don't know what tamarind ball is, it's tamarind mixed with sugar and a little bit of pepper, and lots more brown sugar. And sugar cake. Sugar cake is grated coconut with sugar and made into a cake. But Genesis Delights sugar cake, that's all we have in the box. And there you have it. That is February's Callaloo box, brought to you by callaloobox.com. It's a Trinidad and Tobago Creole box celebrating our African Caribbean heritage. You know, that's brought you all the delicious meals like Callaloo, Pelau, stew chicken, accra. It keeps on going on and on. But don't forget to check them out at callaloobox.com and follow them on Instagram and Facebook at callaloobox, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at what'sindepot, and check me out on YouTube at www.youtube.com/what'sindepot. So what's in the pot? Thank you for tuning in. It's your boy Sean Grande. It's What's in the Pot.